Hello and welcome to our channel. So today we have something exciting to show you. As you can see here, it's written that malware analysis tool. Basically, it's a website. As you can see here, I'll drop this link down in the description below. Let's head on to this. Here you can see a small dot and here it's written that malware analysis tool. If we click on this, then we get some names like encoding, decoding, malicious file analysis, Android tools, and much more. So basically, it's a website for those who are interested in malware analysis. And here are some tools that will help them in the malware analysis. So let's click on something and see what it is. As you can see that here, if we click on malicious file analysis, then we get these four results here. And if we click on anything, like let's click on search, then we get these four results. They, as you can see, this dot is filled with yellow color, but this one is with white. So white means that it's the endpoint of this one. So here we can search on something. Let's search on let's click on this one and see what it is. So as you can see, we are redirected to a page called Declage Malware Search. So this website is basically nothing but a search engine where we can search about malware samples. As you can see that here it's written, this custom Google search engine helps you to find malware samples. Okay, so let's search something here. So as you can see that we get some suggestions. So let's click on troll script base bins. Here we get the results. As you can see about the results here. Okay, so let's click on this one and see what we can get. So here we get redirected to paste bin. Okay, so where we can get these these scripts. Here you can see that a lot of scripts are here. So anything that you like, you can use. Here it's written that it's leaked, it's cracked one, and this one is for 40 pages, and UTG password, and much more. So let's get back to the website and see in and explore more. Okay, let's click on memory forensics. Okay, so when we click on this, we get the results here. So click on anyone. As you can see, it's a GitHub page. We are redirected to a GitHub page. It's called volatility. Let's see what it is. Here it's written that volatility memory extraction utility framework. We get this tool, okay, where we can extract some information, okay, like from mailing lists, images, contact list, and much more. So you can use this. You can clone this repo or download this. It's a See, you can see that it's a tool written in Python. You can download this one and use it. Let's get back to our tool and see what other things we can get, like online scanners. Here, these are the online scanners that we get. I guess you are aware of Virus Total. Here, you can upload a file and see that it's a virus containing or not. Okay, so this is the thing. This is malware analysis tool. This is very much helpful for those who are interested in malware analysis. If we click on this one, let's see what we can get. You can get an origami framework with PDF tools. Okay, so there are Android tools also. file curving tools. Here you can see the list. Programming language specific, if you can get the Java or .NET. Okay, places to get malware samples, you can get the places where you can get malware samples, like Android malware samples. If you click on this, then you are redirected to a GitHub page where you can get these samples. Here you can see that largest open collection for Android malware samples, live samples, use them at your tools. Okay, so this is the thing. Yeah, so this is very helpful. This website is very helpful. And if you want a detailed video of this, then do let me know in the comments below. Then I'll make it on. Have a great day. Thank you.